Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable NFC payments on Android with Google Wallet, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your Android device and navigate to the home screen. Locate and open the Google Play Store application. In the search bar at the top, type in Google Wallet. Select the Google Wallet app from the search results. If you don't have Google Wallet installed, tap the Install button to download it. Once installation is complete, open the Google Wallet app. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. If you already have a payment method saved, you will see it listed on the home screen. To add a new payment method, tap on the Add to Wallet button. Choose the option that suits you, such as credit or debit card. Enter your card information as prompted. Make sure to verify your card via any authentication methods, such as a code sent to your phone. Once your card is added, navigate to the settings of your device. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and select Connected Devices or Connections. Look for the option labeled NFC or NFC and Payment. Make sure the NFC feature is turned on. Then, look for Contactless Payments or Default Payment app. Select Google Wallet from the list of available payment apps. Afterward, exit the settings and return to the Google Wallet app. From the main screen, ensure your payment method is displayed correctly. To use NFC payments, hold your phone near a contactless payment terminal. Wait for the confirmation that the payment has been processed. And that's it, you are now ready to make NFC payments with Google Wallet on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.